Hi there, my name is Ethel AnimA and I'm tribal fusion dancer, teacher, choreographer and artist. And I invite you to my dance tutorial with choreography Sweet Dreams. Let's go. We start this choreography with position back to the mirror, back to the audience as you want. So we start our movements from hips. I start from my right and I do figure eight by hips. It means that I go up with my hip, then I push it to the side, then I go down, then left up, side, down. I have four movements by hips. So right, left, right, left. At the same time, my arms go in, up, open, down, and then I move my fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and fingers. After that, I have arm undulation with my right arm. I go with my elbow up, wrist up, and then hands. So I have a really light wave here. At the same time, I turn to the mirror, to the audience, like this. After this, I have two more arm undulations with left and right, and I do two steps like this. So you can start with right foot and with left arm. So step, step. After this, we have turn to the mirror. I take my right arm and I do circle, and at the same time I do turn. So I start with my right foot and do turn, turn, and then I go a little bit more down. I need to bend my knees and my fingers close one by one. Let's do it one more time. So turn and a little bit more down, and also my head goes up. The next movement, it's called spell. This one from my Anima Shadows vocabulary. So we start with our left arm and we turn to the left side. After this, we go to the center with circle. And again, we have small circle with wrist. So we have three circles. Big one from shoulders, smaller one from elbows, smallest one from our wrists. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Also, you can add chest circle if you want, and head circle. I will show you. So we go up with our chest with the first circle with our arms. Then we do small pause. After this, I go with chest circle from left side to the right side. And arm circle from elbows. And after this, I do small circle with my hands. And at the same time, I do small circle with my head. So I go a little bit to the side, to the diagonal with my cheekbone. Then I go up, then side and center. Like this. One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next movement is side body waves. And we start this movement with chest. So I do small step and my knees are bended. And after this, I push my chest to the side. So side, and then my hips go to the same line. And after this, again, up, hip, push to the left side, and then I push my chest to the left side. So our points here. I go down with my right side of my chest and I open my ribs from the left side. So this is 1. Then I push to the right, 2. Then again, 3, a little bit more. Then up my hip, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then center, 5. And then up, push, down and open again, push, center. So I go with chest to the right and from hip to the left. At the same time, I do my arms undulation, so I go with elbows, wrist, elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist. So right and left, and then I start from left, left, and right. The next movement. It's called flirt, and this is a movement also from my vocabulary, anima shadows. Previous side body verse is also from this vocabulary. So we go to the diagonal and we start hip circle. So my right foot goes to the toes and I need to hold my chest. So circle, circle, circle. Yes. So I do circle and after this I do small step forward to the right diagonal and I do again figure 8 by right hip, like half of figure 8. So circle and figure 8. Circle and half of figure 8. And with arms, I do circle and then again wave as we did before. And also you can do some finger movements as you want. After this, I go to the diagonal, to the left diagonal, and I go up with my arms. And here I have slow body wave. So what arms we have? We go just down and open. So down and open. So what we do with our body, we was here, so our chest on the top, and after this, I go a little bit back, and then I go in with hips and release. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The idea that we go with our body weight from the top to down here, yes. And please remember that you should move your body really slowly and it should be a movement without any sharp points. So top, back, in, release. And again, do the basic position. After this, I turn again to the mirror and I go with my right, left, right, arms up. So here I have the same arms undulations. Elbow, wrist, and then hand. So right, left, right, and then I do pause. After this movement, we have a new music phrase in the music, in the song, and I start with more dynamic movements, and the first one is called slap, and this one is from Anima Shadows vocabulary level 1. So I do step and I go up with my right hip. At the same time, when I want to go to the side, when I want to push my hip to the side, I do the slap with my right hand. So here, the movement. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, with right hip, we go up, side, down, and center, as we did before. It's like half of figure eight. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this, I go up with my arm. Also, you can go up with your reverse body wave. That means you need to release your lower back, and then you go like in and up. So with arms, it's much more easy, like this. And then we do drop. And after this, we go with right hip to the side, boom, and back, and side, and center. So again, we need to do this step. So side, back, side, center. And after this, we do 2 small hip circles. I start from right hip and go back. Also, you can add movement with your hands. It's called flower. So I will show you how it works. You go up with your palm, then you open the second one, then you turn, and then you go down and down. So up, open, turn, down, down. Up, open, turn, down, down. So the idea that we have 3 flowers. The first one is really slow because we have big circle with our hips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 small, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this moment called sexy barrel, and I love it so much. After this, we have movements with our hips. It's called bumps. So that means that we go up, 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 up with our hips. So we use our oblique muscles. We go up, 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 up. Remember, please, that your chest always on the top. So you should hold, you should isolate, and you move only your hips now. And we open our arms like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go down, and then we go up with our elbows and wrists. And again for counts 1, 2, 3, 4. During these arms, we just do small, really small steps forward, or you can stay on the place. It's up to you. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So let's do from the beginning till the end without music. So one more time from the beginning till the end without music, and then with music. So we start from right hip. Right, left, right, left, fingers. Turn with arm undulation, then step with right foot with left arm undulation, arm, and the opposite. After this, we do circle with arm and fingers. Then spell side, center, small circle, side body wave, and fast to the left side, then hip, circle, and half of Maya, body wave, then arms, undulations, and slap. And slowly we go up and drop, and sexy barrel. And then we go with hips and arms. Let's try with music. right, left, right, left, right arm, and turn. Step with arm, turn. Spell. Side body wave. Flip. Body wave. Arms, undulations. Flip. Drop. And sexy barrel. And steps. And let's dance one more time with music and without my voice. And before we will dance the whole choreography with the music, I want to invite you to my Enigmatic Fusion course. I designed it for different level dancers from 0 till intermediate. If you have no experience in dancing or you already have some knowledges in tribal fusion dance, I invite you to my classes. In the result of this course, you will learn not only fundamentals, but also about 20 combinations from my author's Anima Shadows vocabulary, and not only. We will learn choreography, and you have the opportunity to perform with me in a group dance, a tribal festival, a tribal party in May in Krakow. So, the link for pre-registration in the description, and I'm waiting for you in my classes.
Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this choreography, and I invite you to join my classes, and I hope to dance with you really soon. With all my love, Ethel.